Wow, what an interesting book. Anyways, we are now going to be going to the When I Grow Up segment. Also, the last segment, so I hope you all enjoy. Okay guys, now we are here at the When I Grow Up segment. Hi.
Hello.
What's your name?
My name is Tesla.
What do you do?
I am a singer-songwriter.
And what school did you go to?
I go to school. I'm in university right now, but I go to the East African University.
Okay, so you're a singer.
Yeah.
So have you written any songs?
Yeah, I've written a couple of songs. I think they add up to, 15 to 20.
Wow. Can you name some of them?
The one that I'm currently working on is a video. The video inaitwa Zuzu. It's called Zuzu. There is one called Smoking Fire, which I'm going to share with you.
Okay.
Yeah, there are a couple of more. I can't show them.
Yeah. But which one is your favorite song?
My favorite is Zuzu.
Zuzu.
Yeah.
What does Zuzu mean?
Zuzu, it means when you're dumbfounded, you can't talk, you can't speak. So this song is about a story about a girl like you who's in love with a crushy, you know.
Yeah.
And then now when you see him, you know, you get confused, you're nervous.
Yeah.
So that's all about that. I've been singing professionally. I've been singing for 3 years.
Okay.
But kutoka kitambo, since I was in primary, I've been singing in church.
So wait, so the song Zuzu, does it talk about you? Were you in love with someone?
Yes, it was my first love actually.
Okay.
So my emotions reacted to writing a song, and that's what I did, and it became such a wonderful thing.
Okay. So can you sing a song for us, please?
I go let this world follow me, mini ulense. I go let this world follow me, mini ulede mwakunara. I'm smoking fire, mini ulede mwakunara. Yeah, I'm smoking fire.
Wow. Have you gone to any like singing classes?
Yes, I went to Sauti Academy for a few months.
Okay.
Yeah, but I didn't graduate. But they taught me a lot when I was there.
Do you think it helped your voice?
Yes, it did a lot. Especially unajua basics ni ile you just unatoa sauti, but there are other things to it, the breathing technique and everything.
Okay.
Yeah. I've got the
Eye of the tiger, the fire, dancing through the fire, 'cause I am a champion, and you're gonna hear me roar louder, louder than a lion, 'cause I am a champion, and you're gonna hear me roar. When you were young, what did you want to be?
When I was young, I wanted to be an engineer.
Okay.
Yeah, I wanted to be like my father. My father is a technical engineer.
Okay.
He deals with the lights. So
Yeah.
he made me become interested, you know. So that's what I wanted to do since I was young. And then my dreams changed. And now I'm a businesswoman.
Wow, and a
Yes,
singer.
and a singer.
So, what are the challenges you have faced?
As a singer.
Yeah.
Okay. So there's that challenge I had before I started singing. And after the before was the confidence, yeah?
Yeah.
After singing, after knowing I could sing, after winning Talanta Mtaani,
Yeah.
you know, the pressure to be better than, you know, if people know you can sing, people know you can sing, right?
Yeah.
But you have to go international, you have to go bigger than just can sing.
Yeah.
So the pressure of, you know, meeting other people's, you know, expectations, that was a struggle. People undermining you, not believing in you. You know, not everyone can be positive
Yeah.
about your success. So that's been a struggle, but all in all, it ends up with you believing in yourself, such that no one else can break your
Okay. Yeah.
strength. Yeah.
So, now, when people didn't believe in you, did you did people even believe in you?
Yes, I forced them to. With my music, I forced them to believe
Oh,
in me.
okay. But if they didn't believe in you, how would you feel?
I think for now I'm grown enough to understand that not everything you do comes your way.
Yeah.
So, God forbid, if I didn't believe in myself, I think I would venture into something around the music.
Yeah.
Around the music, because if you can't stay there forever, you can't stay in one place forever. So if you see that like there are other options that you can go to that will still lead to your passion, you do it.
Okay.
So as a musician, you don't only have to sing. You can be writing songs for people.
Yeah.
You can produce tracks for people, and that revolves around your talent. You see? Yeah. So I'm studying for a degree in business management.
Okay.
Majoring in sales and marketing.
Yeah.
So where my degree comes in my music, it comes when I try to sell myself as an artist.
Okay.
So in terms of business, you have to know the right brand to represent yourself
Yeah.
so that you can sell your music.
Yeah.
So that's where my school and my music are.
Okay. So can you also tell us about that competition you won, the TAR?
Yeah, Talanta Mtaani.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it airs on KTN Home every Thursday at 8. I won it in 2016. I won it in 2017 going to 2018.
Okay.
And it was tough, you know. Sage course season 3, we're in season 3.
Yeah.
It basically involves a lot of talent, every kind of talent, acrobats, you know, singing, acting. So I had to be number 1 out of all those acts. So it was tough, yeah. Basically, that is what Talent Mtaani does, empowering and giving opportunities to youths.
So that was Tesla. Do you have any social media handles?
Yes. On Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, you can find me as Tesla Kenya.
Okay. And what's your word of inspiration for the kids?
I use one quote that says, you know, this world is both evil and good. It has evil and good. So it's Romans 20, I think it's 12:21. It says, do not be overcome by evil, but overcome evil by doing good. So in everything you do, just make sure your goal is being good to other people and don't expect anything in return.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. I'll see you guys same time, same place next week, every Thursday from 4 to 5 p.m. only on KTN Home. Remember that we're here at Kids Corner in Westgate. So I'll see you guys. Bye.